So we've got these two Washingtona Mexican fan palms to trim. We're gonna get the bark off. We're gonna hurricane trim them. That's how the customer likes them. This is a year's worth of growth. We do this every year. This is what they look like a year after they've been hurricane trimmed. So you can see there's seed pods and dead leaves. These trees do just fine. They're like big blades of grass. These trees love being trimmed. They grow like weeds. It's hard to kill them. Let's see how it goes.